How is it going, everybody? You're watching Then About Tech, and today we're going to talk about this. That's right, we finally have the official WhatsApp application for the Apple Watch. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can install it, set it up, and how to use WhatsApp on your wrist. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay guys, and all you really need is your Apple Watch. So go ahead and press on a digital crown so you can see all of your apps. Scroll down just a bit until you get to App Store, the App Store for your Apple Watch. Go ahead and tap here on search, and then of course you're going to search for WhatsApp. Go ahead and type it in. It may be a little bit tricky because it's a tiny keyboard, but it's going to work. Take a look because it's generally going to recommend. So go ahead and tap here for WhatsApp and then tap on search, and then it's going to show results for WhatsApp. And this is important as well because there are going to be a ton of different results, but those are not the apps that you want. You're going to need to keep scrolling, especially if you're doing this on the very first days like I'm doing, because it's a brand new application. So keep going, keep doing your thing, keep scrolling. I'm going to show you which one it actually is. So keep scrolling and it's going to be this one. So WhatsApp Messenger, that's it. You see the official icon, that's the one. If you want to be 100% sure, tap on it and then just scroll down just a bit until you see right here, developer WhatsApp. So you know that's the official one, as you can see. It's super easy, no errors right here. So WhatsApp Messenger, official icon, you have here like millions of ratings, that's the one. So go ahead and download it, as you can see. So go ahead and open it up. And this is one of the coolest things about the app. The setup is so simple. As you can see, you pretty much don't have to do anything. You just open up the WhatsApp application and it already starts downloading and getting all of the data from your iPhone. There's no QR code, nothing like that, because it's going to be completely integrated with your iPhone. And just like that, you've got everything here on WhatsApp. Now let me show you what you can actually do. So keep in mind, it's not a lot. So of course, you can read your messages, you can see your full chat and everything like that. You can see, as you can see right here, stickers, but there are some limitations. So you don't see any video. So just images, just photos, just still images. So if the sticker is a GIF or if there's just a little video, you just see this still image, okay? So the same goes for a normal video. So you can see photos, as you can see. So photos are fully like watchable. You can easily view them in high quality, so that's great. But if there is a video, as you can see, it says unsupported. So view on phone. So you just don't see the video. But at least you can actually listen to audio messages. So for example, you can tap here, it's gonna load, and then you tap on play, and you're gonna be able to listen. So it's gonna be very, very low because the speakers are low, but like in real life, I can easily listen. Right here, I have a microphone very close to me, so maybe it's not gonna be so good for you to see, but in real life, it's super clear, all right? Of course, you can also send messages, so you can tap here on message. As you can see, tap on it, and then you have your keyboard. So you can say, for example, hi, and then send, and then it's gonna send hi. It just auto-corrected because my keyboard is in Portuguese, but you got the idea. And you can even send audio messages as well. So this is good. And in my opinion, it's the best way to use the app because it's much easier to just send a quick audio message, hit send, and then it's gonna send right here. Super easy as well, and it works great. And it's pretty much that, guys. So of course you can also react to anything. So let's say I wanna react to this GIF. So I can tap and hold, and then I can go ahead and react, as you can see. So then it's your typical reaction. It's gonna show up right here. So like it's functional, it's cool. You can see all your chats, you can navigate very easily, but again, it's not your full experience. Oh, and last but not least, I also like this, the fact that when someone is calling you, an audio call or a video call, when you have the app installed, you can easily see who it is, and of course, if it is audio or video, and of course, you can decline if you want to. Before, you couldn't do it. You just get a random notification. Right now is this personalized notification that works really, really well. And so that's pretty much it. Of course, the app is gonna get better and better. Meta said that this is only the first version and they're gonna keep introducing more and more features. But the fact that we now have an official app we can trust is just a very nice thing. So install it right now, start using it, and keep in mind, it's gonna get better. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next videos, guys. Bye-bye.